Feeling like your whole house is in chaos and you don't even know where to begin? Whether it's the closet that explodes when opened or the junk drawer that has become a black hole, you're not alone. But don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to organize your entire home room by room. No fluff, just simple actions that work. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell if you're ready to take control of your space and transform your home, one room at a time. What we'll cover: entryway, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, closet, home office, kids room, laundry room, garage, basement. Let's start with tip number 1, the entryway. This is the first thing you see when you enter your home, and the first place to get messy. Add a small bench, some baskets or hooks for shoes and coats, and a key tray. Keep it minimal to avoid clutter piling up the moment you walk in. Tip number 2, the living room. Living rooms should be for relaxing, not hunting for remotes or drowning in throw blankets. Use decorative bins or storage ottomans to keep things tidy. A coffee table with drawers is a secret weapon. Limit the decor on flat surfaces. It keeps the space looking clean and intentional. Tip number 3, the kitchen. Start by clearing countertops. Store only everyday items out in the open. Use drawer dividers for utensils, a lazy Susan in cabinets for spices, and stackable containers for dry goods. Label everything. It saves time and keeps everyone on the same page. Tip number 4, the bedroom. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary. Declutter nightstands, use underbed storage for seasonal clothes, and keep only the essentials on top of dressers. Make your bed daily. It instantly makes the room feel more organized. Tip number 5. The bathroom. Use drawer organizers and small bins under the sink. Toss expired products and store daily use items in an easy-to-reach spot. Over-the-door storage works wonders for small bathrooms. By tip number 6, the closet. This one's big. Start by taking everything out. Purge what you don't wear, group similar items, and use matching hangers for a clean look. Use shelf dividers, hanging shoe racks, and bins for accessories. Tip number 7, the home office. Paper clutter is real. Go digital when you can and sort everything into categories: to do, to file, and to shred. Use drawer organizers and cord management clips to keep it neat. A clean desk, a clear mind. Tip number 8, the kids' room. Label bins for toys, books, and clothes so your kids can help clean up. Rotate toys monthly to keep clutter down and interest up. Keep lower shelves for things they use often. It encourages independence. Tip number 9, the laundry room. Use wall-mounted shelves to save floor space. Store detergents in labeled jars or baskets, and keep a lost socks bin. If you have room, add a folding station or hanging bar for air drying. Tip number 10, the garage or basement. Time to tackle the beast. Group tools, holiday decorations, and sports gear into zones. Use pegboards, shelving, and labeled bins. Go vertical with storage whenever possible. If you haven't used something in 2 years, donate or toss it. What room in your home needs the most help right now? Or which organizing tip was your favorite? Share in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video gave you the motivation to start organizing, give it a like, share it with a friend who needs a tidy space, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating a clean, calm, and clutter-free home.